Hello everyone, welcome to you all in our Bootstrap first class. So today we are going to use Bootstrap using our Sublime text. Okay, you can use any type of the text editor. For example, we can use Visual Studio Code, we can use Sublime text, and many other type of the text editors available. Even you can use the Notepad also, Notepad++ also available. For example, if you search text editor name, if you search this in the Google, you will get the list of the common text editors. For example, the Notepad++, brackets, Sublime text, Emacs, Alt-Write-It, Combo-Edit, TextMate. Different type of text editors are available in the market. You can use this one, but I'm using the Sublime text. Okay. Just you have to search download Sublime text in the Google. After that you will get this link, sublimetext.com, and after that you can easily download the setup file and you can easily download that file. So now you can see you will get different type of the versions. For Windows, for OS X, you can get the Windows 64-bit supported version also. You can get the portable version also, and different type of the things and different type of the version you can get. So now, right now, we can use the Sublime text tool. Okay, so if you want to use this one, just you have to click here, and now you can see here you will get this option. For example, if I am a Windows user, just you have to click in the Windows, and now you can see you will get this type of thing, and now you can see my Sublime text is going to be downloaded. Okay, so in this way you can easily download the Sublime text, or you can use the Microsoft Visual Studio Code also. This is also one of the amazing code editor, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so if you search this one, you can get this website. Okay, and you can use this text editor also. So now you can see it is telling me that code editing defined pre-built on open source, run everywhere. Okay, so you can use this one. Okay, but in our class we are going to use the Sublime text. Okay, so without any delay, let's start. Okay, so I have already installed my Sublime text on my machine. Now you can see I have opened the Sublime text. Okay, so first of all we will want to create the basic structure of the HTML. So for that one, so I'm going to save this one, file, and you have to click in the save it, or you can directly click in the save also. After that, so I'm going to in the desktop, and I'm creating a new folder. So I'm just clicking here in the new folder, and I'm giving the project folder name. This is Bootstrap, sorry, Bootstrap class. Again, I'm opening this folder, and I'm just giving the name is one.html, one.html. Okay, so one bootstrap.html. So now you can see I saved this file on my project folder. Now after that, if you are using the Sublime text, just you have to type html:5, and you have to press tab button, and after pressing the tab button you will get this boilerplate code. Now you can see here, this is the basic structure of your HTML website. So first of all you have to type the curly bracket, and you have to use this symbol, that is exclamation mark, and doc type HTML, and you have to use greater than also. Then after that you have to again use this bracket, less than, and HTML language is called to English, and you have to start the head section. Okay, so in the HTML every tag should be inside the in this type of the angular bracket. Okay, so now you can see here there is a head, and the head text is inside this angular bracket. Okay, so this is the rule. You have to follow this type of the rule, and inside the head, so now you can say when you will open a HTML tag, you have to close that one also. So we started our head tag here and we close this one here, and inside here we use this 𝗧𝘂𝗵𝗆 standard, that is meta dot 𝗧𝘂𝗵 is equal to UTF-8, and we use this meta tag also. Meta name is equal to viewport, content is equal to width is equal to device minus width, initial minus scale is equal to 1.0. This is for the responsive, and we give the title also. So for example, we are giving first bootstrap class. Okay, so if I write this one, so for example, I am writing h1, hello, I am learning bootstrap. Then after that, I am just saving it, and I'll right click, and you have to click in the open in browser. So now you can see it is showing me that hello, I am learning bootstrap. So in this way, you can use the basic structure of web page. Okay, so how to implement or how to get start a web page with the help of Bootstrap, or how to integrate the Bootstrap in your web pages. So for that one, thus you have to go in the getbootstrap.com, and now you can see you will get this website. Then after that, there are a few things. It is telling me that build fast responsive sites with Bootstrap. Okay, so it's the slogan of Bootstrap, and it is giving me that powerful, extensible, and feature-packed front-end toolkit. Okay, so you can easily download this one from here, or you can use the npm method also. So I am using the download option here, and after that you will get the download button here. It is giving the compile CSS and JS. You have to click in the download. After clicking in the download, so now you can see here it is almost 1.4 MB. Okay, and you have to open this one. So I am opening this file. Then after that, you have to right click, and you have to click in the extract to Bootstrap. So now you can see it is extracting all the files. Okay, so now you can see here is the Bootstrap file. Okay, so I am just selecting those two folders, and you have to click in the code. After that, you have to go inside your project folder, which is inside in the desktop in my case. I am selecting my project folder, so that was YT Bootstrap class. Okay, and you have to paste this one here. So you have to click in the paste. So now you can see here my 2JS and CSS file came inside here. Okay, so we can use Bootstrap in two ways. The first method is by downloading this file, and you can use your downloaded file in your project folder. After that, you have to go in the Sublime text, and you have to go in the head section, and you have to type link rel is equal to style sheet. Okay, so if I click, if I went inside the CSS file, so now you can see here there are different type of the CSS file which is provided by the Bootstrap. Okay, so first of all, I am going to use the bootstrap.min.css. Okay, so I think there are different types of files here available. Bootstrap minus grid dot. Okay, so you have to source your files. There are different types of the files available here. Okay, release min.css, bootstrap CSS, event keys, reboot. What is the min.css? Okay, so here is the bootstrap.min.css. Okay, so I'm coming inside the Sublime text, and you have to type css/bootstrap.min.css. Okay, and after that you have to come inside the body also. So above the closing body tag, you have to type the script, and you have to give the src attribute here, src. Okay, and you have to give the file name, that is j/bootstrap.min.js. okay. Okay, so after that I'm going to reload my web page again. So I'm coming here and I'm reloading this one. So now you can see here it is working perfectly, right? So before it was different type of the h1 and now it is working perfectly. So now if I want to create the button, for example, okay, so button, and I am just using the class. Class is called to 𝗤𝗊𝗵 demo button. So if I use this one, so let me check it will work or not. Okay, so now we can see it is working perfectly. So in this way you can use the Bootstrap by using the download method. You have to download all the Bootstrap files, then after that you have to create a link between the Bootstrap file and your HTML file. Then after that the Bootstrap will start work. The second method is using the CDN. So for that one, just you have to go in the getbootstrap.com. Okay, so now you can say you have to go in the getbootstrap.com and you have to click in the docs and you have to click in the getting started. Okay, so after the getting started, you have to go here, and now you can say in the number 2 you will get this file, include bootstrap CSS and JS, and you will get this boilerplate code. Just you have to click in the copy to clipboard here. Okay, then after that you have to come in the sublime text and you have to paste this one. So now you can see here, before we use the offline method and we create a link between Bootstrap CSS and our HTML file, but in this time now you can say it is giving us the CDN. Okay, so this CDN will work like the bootstrap.min.css, and this script code, this CDN will work like the bootstrap.min.js. okay, so now we can say it is giving a bootstrap.bundle.min.js, but for this one you need internet connection. Without internet connection this CDN will not work. Okay, so first of all your computer should connected with internet. After that only this CDN will work, otherwise it will not work. So I'm going to save this one, and if I right click, if I click in the open in browser, so now you can see it is working perfectly. Okay, so now if I create another new button, so I'm just creating a button and I'm just giving button class is called to 𝗤𝗊𝗵𝗵, Ctrl S, and if I will reload, so now again it is working. So I am just giving here demo button. So if I save this one, so now you can see it is working perfectly. So in this way you can easily use the Bootstrap and you can easily integrate the Bootstrap file with your HTML file, and you can create amazing responsive design. So hoping that you get a few ideas from this video. So after watching this video you will learn the integration process of Bootstrap files inside with your HTML file. So I'll come with another new class. Until that, goodbye, see you again.